Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Insurance Mondays. My name is Paul Edwards. I am your registered representative with New York Life. I can help you, yes. I help individuals just like you to plan and save effectively for that period of time when you will choose to work no more. We call that retirement. And I also help you, yourself, your family, and business to protect yourself and your loved ones with life insurance and with long-term care. And at New York Life, we also help you with estate planning. I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you are energized and ready and to be productive. Life is what we make it, and therefore let us always put our best foot forward. I want to read this morning from one of the Power Gem. And Power Gem, you can buy this book. It's by Reginald Crutchley. You can buy this book on Amazon.com. And the Power Gem says, follow a fool, and the end is a dead end. So it's very important that as an individual, we make wise decisions. And on Insurance Mondays, we like to look at insurance related issues. And I want to share a story because I'm a firm believer that everyone should have life insurance. Unfortunately, too many persons are operating without life insurance. So I'm encouraging those that are listening to me that you should get life insurance. You can call me at 321-557-1155. And I would like to share a story that was very touching to my heart. I met a couple maybe about 6 or 5 years ago. And the husband contacted me and said his wife wanted to speak with me. So when I went and met with them, his wife was insisting that they get life insurance. But I could see that the husband was reluctant, but he was doing it because of the insistence of his wife. We have seen in today's society that many times it is the male part, it is the man who is more resistant to having life insurance than the female. And I remembered when the wife said in the meeting, I'm going to give him a fake name, Paul. She says, Paul, I want this insurance because anything can happen to us. My husband and I are working, but we have two boys. They were both in high school at the time. And she says, we have a mortgage to pay. My boys are in high school, so we must protect ourselves. And we applied for life insurance, some term life insurance for both of them. When the underwriting came back, the wife was accepted with a good rating. The husband got a higher rating because the medical reports said that he had some ailment. When that ratings caused his monthly contributions to almost double. So he was saying, no, it's why. I said, but because of your condition. He says, no, he's healthy. He doesn't have any condition. As a matter of fact, they said he had some form of cancer, skin cancer, some defect. And he says he doesn't have it. He was treated, he's okay, and everything is all right. After much persuasion, the wife said, we are going to take the policy for him, but she reduced the total coverage so that it fell within their budget. She reduced the amount of coverage she was applying for him. So she had maybe about 5 times the coverage that he had. And they had the policies. But after about 2 or so years, I realized that the wife policies was being paid and he wasn't paying his. And I contacted him a couple of times and he started to pay his policies. But he kept saying he doesn't see why he needs this policy and he's healthy and he's okay, and why should he be putting money towards that life insurance policy. He says his wife can keep hers because she insists that they need it. So he caused this policy to lapse. When the wife found out, she called me and said, no. I said, but I've been trying to tell him and he caused it to lapse. So she says, can you get this policy reinstated? It had lapsed for about 2 months, I think, or a month or so. So I said, we should be able to. So we applied to New York Life to reinstate it. And they denied him. They said his risk was too high. The wife was angry, but he was denied. When we tried to get other insurance for him, no, let me backtrack. He was denied. One of his sons has now moved on to college, and I saw him maybe like May, and he was going up to the state where his son was to help him settle down in college. After maybe about August or so, I called him back just to see how everything was with his family, but he wouldn't return my call, which was not like him. That was strange. I tried calling from August to November to December, couldn't get him. Then I got the wife the following year and I asked her, how is he doing? And she kept telling me he was doing okay. I said, when is he coming back? She said, soon. Finally, maybe about 5 months later, I called the wife. I don't remember what I called her for. And she says, Paul, let me be honest with you. You know that my husband died from last year, October. I was shocked. She said, I felt so bad to tell you because I know how you was insisting in him keeping this policy. She said, I was devastated. Now here's the thing. She still has 2 sons, one now in high school, one in college. She still has the mortgage to pay. No income coming in now from the husband. He's dead. A couple of months after he made his policy lapse. What am I saying? The wise thing to do, you must have life insurance. You can call me, Paul Edwards, at 321-557-1155. Call me now. Call me today. 321-557-1155. Have a blessed and productive day.